Hello and welcome to the video where we take a brief look into Patrol for OpenShift. Patrol for OpenShift enables you to monitor your OpenShift environments on versions 4.x or later, supported on the listed Windows and RHEL versions. Here are the entities that the KM monitors in OpenShift. Before you configure monitoring in Patrol for OpenShift, run the envChecker utility provided by BMC. The utility verifies the OpenShift connection with the KM and saves your time to troubleshoot connection issues. It also provides you the number and list of nodes, projects, pods, and containers present in your environment that you can monitor. You can use this information to plan what all projects, nodes, pods, and containers you want to monitor. The utility is available in the VE3 bin folder inside the Patrol Home folder. Let's see the screens where you can configure monitoring. To monitor OpenShift, you need to create a policy. In Helix Operations Management, go to Configuration, Monitor Policies. And in TrueSight Operations Management, go to Configuration, Infrastructure Policies. Start with entering details to connect to the OpenShift master node. And then, enter projects that you want to include or exclude from monitoring. For that purpose, you can either enter project names and separate them by the pipe character. Or, you can enter regular expressions to identify projects. For example, to filter projects starting with PRO, enter #pro.*. Or to filter all projects ending with ION, enter $*ION. When you save and enable the policy, OpenShift data is collected and displayed on the device details page. When you click an entity, you see its instances. Drilling down further, you get the metrics collected for the entity. For example, when you click File System, you reach the Monitor Details page where you see information about the metric, events created for the metric, and the attributes collected for the metric in a graphical format. Here is the hierarchy of the OpenShift collected metrics. If you want to view some of the collected metrics frequently, to save your time in navigating the device's page, you can create dashboards. For example, you can create a dashboard for CPU usage per node or top 10 CPU extensive pods. If you are using BMC Helix Operations Management, go to Application Switcher and click BMC Helix Dashboards. In TrueSight Operations Management, you will find link to the dashboards in the left panel. To learn more about the KM, see the BMC online documentation. To access the documentation, click the link in this video's description. We hope this video has provided you a brief introduction to the Patrol for OpenShift KM. Thank you for watching.